Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do medicine business. First, clearly define your medical specialty and the patients you wish to serve. Next, create a thorough business plan outlining your vision, services, and financial projections. Secure the necessary funding, perhaps a loan of $500,000, and establish a detailed budget. Finally, select the appropriate legal structure for your practice, such as a sole proprietorship or a professional corporation, to ensure a strong foundation. Navigating the regulatory landscape is crucial for any medical business. You must obtain all necessary medical licenses and certifications for yourself and your staff. Register your business with both state and federal authorities to operate legally. Strict adherence to patient privacy laws like HIPAA is non-negotiable. Additionally, secure comprehensive malpractice insurance and other business insurance policies to protect your practice from unforeseen risks. Setting up efficient operations is key to a smooth-running practice. Choose a suitable clinic location and equip it with the necessary medical instruments and technology. Implement a robust electronic health record system for streamlined patient management. Recruit and thoroughly train qualified medical and administrative staff to provide excellent care. Finally, establish clear and efficient procedures for patient scheduling, appointments, and billing to ensure smooth daily operations. Attracting and retaining patients is vital for your medical business's growth. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your practice's values and services. Create a professional website and establish an active online presence to reach potential patients. Network with other healthcare providers and specialists to build a referral base. Most importantly, consistently offer excellent patient care and service, which will naturally lead to positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.